One of the packages was addressed to Barack Obama in Washington, D.C. It was discovered on Wednesday morning. The Secret Service says there was never any danger of the package arriving at the Obama residence behind me. The package was immediately identified through routine screening as a potential explosive device, and that screening does in fact take place somewhere away from here. The same was true for the package addressed to Hillary Clinton's residence in upstate New York, which was discovered on Tuesday night. At a rally in Florida, Clinton expressed her gratitude.
We are fine, thanks to the men and women of the Secret Service who intercepted the package addressed to us long before it made its way to our home.
But the package addressed to billionaire liberal philanthropist George Soros did arrive at his mailbox in upstate New York on Monday. That was reported to have contained a length of pipe containing an explosive powder. And that's similar to the description of the device sent to CNN studios in New York that led to the evacuation of the Time Warner Center, including that of the anchors who were broadcasting at the time.
We'll be right back. Here at CNN, we're going to be right back.
CNN says that their package was in fact addressed to John Brennan, the former CIA director who served under President Obama. Another package arrived at the offices of former senior Democratic Party official Debbie Wasserman Schultz in Florida. There it was reported that the package had in fact been intended for former Obama Attorney General Eric Holder, but the wrong address was used and the envelope forwarded to Schultz, who'd been listed as the sender on the envelope. A package addressed to Congresswoman Maxine Waters was also intercepted at a mail processing facility. She's a frequent target of Donald Trump's attacks. President Trump said all the resources of government would be used to find those responsible.
In these times, we have to unify. We have to come together and send one very clear, strong, unmistakable message that acts or threats of political violence of any kind have no place in the United States of America.
But the mayor of New York said the packages, all addressed to liberal opponents of Donald Trump, are a symptom of the current febrile political atmosphere in the U.S.
Unfortunately, this atmosphere of hatred is contributing to the choices people are making to turn to violence. There's no question about it. And the way to stop that is to turn back the other way, to bring down the temperature, to end any messages about the use of violence against people we disagree with. And that has to start at the top.
Right-wingers on social media were quick to dismiss such sentiments and speculate that the packages were all part of a liberal false flag plot ahead of the November midterm elections. Shihab, Rattansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.